Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to see who viewed your Instagram video. And let's see if it's possible. So first, you just have to launch your Instagram application. If you have posted a video on your Instagram story, yes, it's possible to view those people who viewed your Instagram video, especially if these are your friends. If you set your account into public, probably you cannot see all the people who viewed your Instagram story. But if you posted a video on your wall, or if you have posted reels on your Instagram account, unfortunately, it's not possible to see who viewed your videos. Okay, so you can only do this if you have added video to your Instagram story. But for reels and any videos you have posted on your wall, it's impossible to see or know people who viewed your video unless they have liked your videos. So you can see the number of people or the total likes here below the heart icon. If you tap that, then you will see the people who viewed your video. Of course, they will not like it if they haven't viewed it, but it's also possible that they have liked it even if they did not watch it. The most possible way to know who viewed your Instagram video through total likes. But unfortunately, you cannot see who viewed your Instagram video unless they like it, especially if you set your account to public. For Instagram story, you can only see those who viewed your video or story if they are your friends. Okay, if not, then it's impossible for you to know or to see who viewed your Instagram video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.